Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So the other day I was watching this guy on a video talking about how your content doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is if it's shared, online shares. Shareability. It's the only thing that matters. It doesn't matter the content. It doesn't matter comments, if people like it, all that kind of thing. The real thing is just make sure it gets shared. Now, while I don't have my head in the sand, thinking that it isn't important to try to make things interesting, and from a marketing perspective, we talk about it all the time, right? To try to have things that really get the attention of a client. But to disconnect from the idea of what really matters, which I believe is the authentic relationship of trust that you create with people. I think that's the most important thing, and to disconnect from that, I think, is crazy. I don't tell things to my children just because I hope they'll go and share it with their friends. I talk to them and tell them things because I think it's important. You're probably the same way in your family, probably the same way with your cleaners and your employees. You tell them things and talk to them because you think it's important, not just to be popular or interesting. And I think that's probably the way to go. Brick by brick, person by person that you meet, from an employee to us, to me talking to you this way, to people I meet or talk to on the phone. My sense is if I can create a real solid relationship where they trust me, person by person, you can build a pretty good business over time. I'm guessing that's exactly what you've tried to do in your business. But in today's world, it's so short-term and so just popularity, I think you can begin to believe that maybe content and what you're trying to really tell people in terms of helpful information isn't important. And I really think it is. So if you're on that path, I say stay the course. That's certainly the path I'm on, and we'll see where the chips fall. I'm willing to make my bet that way, and I'm guessing you are too. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.